Hi guys, my name is Raina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. Finally, the last one that I got to do was in January, and then I was traveling in February and March when I got my boxes, and so I kind of had to like just get the box, try the clothes on, and send it back really fast. So I'm finally doing another unboxing, and I'm really excited about it. I want to read you my styling note because there's something kind of sad. Here we go. Hi Raina, happy fix day. Crystal has been doing a great job styling you, but unfortunately, she is no longer styling a Stitch Fix. Oh, so that's a tear. Like, I was so sad when I read that. Lindley's over here. Surprise, surprise. I'm excited to fill in today and loved looking through your profile, Pinterest style board, and past fixes to get an idea of your great style. Congratulations on your upcoming performance at the Kentucky Music Hall of Fame. That's incredible. For your show, I wanted to give you a couple options, so I'm starting you off with these off-white Lila Ryan skinny jeans. Will you let me know what you think of their fit and style once you've had a chance to try them on? Try pairing them with both the olive Emery Park top with the light blue Mason and Bell kimono over top and the QPO cold shoulder knit top for a couple of styles that I think would be perfect for your show. Can't wait to hear what you think. Kisses and hugs, Caitlin. I've already tried these items on, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first top that I tried on is from the brand QPO. It is called the Carson Cold Shoulder Knit Top. It does have the cutouts for the cold shoulder. It's in the color coral and a size 2X. This shirt is $48. Now, I've gotten more into stripes lately. I remember on my styling note, I had said that I didn't really want florals because I feel like my whole closet is floral right now, so I wanted to challenge my stylist a little bit and give me something else. So she went with something a little bit more plain with the stripes and just the solid color otherwise. It's pretty generously sized. I think I could probably go a size down in this. What kind of fabric are we talking here? It is very stretchy, 95% viscose, 5% spandex. Yeah. So that's everything in this shirt. It does feel really good, and I think it looked pretty cute on, especially like with the white jeans that it was paired with. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll have to have sent the box back for sure, but I'm kind of undecided. It's okay. The next shirt is by the brand Emery Park in a size 2X. And how crazy is it that it looks a lot like the Letty and Me sweater that I bought back in January. It's the same like olive green tone, cage neckline. It's very comfortable. I think it looked pretty good on. It has a little bit of a high-low cut, I think. Lindley's trying to come in. Let's see. It's called the Dolce short sleeve knit top in the color olive, size 2X. And it is $34, so super affordable. I might consider buying this one just because of the layering factor. It's really thin, it looks cute. This shirt is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So again, kind of stretchy, comfortable, just feels really good. Goes with a lot of stuff. The only thing that kind of turns me against it is that it looks just like that sweater, except it's short sleeve. Is that silly? Like, it's like almost the same shirt. So, I don't know. We'll see. The next item is a kimono, and it is from the brand Mason and Bell. It is this light blue floral print. It's got like a really beautiful scalloped, like lacy sort of crochet hem on it, which is super pretty. This is really nice. I think it's good for the spring, and I think it could go with a lot of different tops just because there are a lot of colors in the kimono itself. I'm thinking about this one just because I only have one other kimono, and I love kimonos. I think they're beautiful, and I think they're so versatile. You can wear, you can just kind of throw them on top of anything, and it's just a cute little layer. I'm really thinking about this. Let's see. It is Mason & Bell Laria crochet trim kimono, light blue, size 2X for $42. I would pay that. I mean, I feel like this is really good quality. I think it's going to hold up really well. It's not something that you would probably have to wash every time anyway. It is pretty sheer. It says the body of the kimono, so the sheer piece is 100% polyester, and then the trim piece is 100% cotton. Very beautiful kimono. I'm excited that she sent me one because I think it's just so perfect for spring. We'll think about it. Next, let's talk about the jeans. They are the brand Lila Ryan. They're called the Bonnie Skinny Jean in the color off-white, size 20W. They are $98, so that alone is like a no. But they didn't fit that great either. They were tight in the legs. They were super big in the waist. I always have that problem, especially since I've lost some weight. And that was something I always grew up with as a problem, and now it's a problem again. So, I mean, they're cute. I liked the idea of them. I think they look great with both the coral top and the olive top and the kimono. I think that was a cute pairing, but they're just not for me. Yeah, it's a no on these pants. And thanks for trying to send them, but also had some pretty ugly saddlebags in these pants. So that's a no. And I saved this piece for last because I had actually asked for maybe an Easter maxi dress. And so I was really excited about it. I was hoping it would be the perfect thing. This is the Emmeline Smocked Maxi dress from Market and Spruce. And it's in the color Burgundy, size 2X. It is $78. I wouldn't pay that for this dress. And I'll tell you why. Because it's got like, and you'll see in the video, it's got like the stretchy kind of, it just reminds me of like one of those like pull cover-ups, or I'm not sure like what era it was that they had those stretchy tops that were like one size fits all. It just kind of reminds me of that. And that just always seemed like really cheap. It does have a little bit of a lining that goes down to the knees. You'll see in the try on there's a slit that comes up kind of the side of the calf there, and that's how far the lining goes down, is to that point. So this dress is just meh. It's okay. I think it looked fine. There were some things I didn't like about it. It was a little bit snug in the stomach area. Not bad. It's just because like I do kind of naturally suck in my stomach a little bit, but I still got a stomach. I mean, come on. So it's just, it wasn't perfect. I don't really love the pattern. It fit pretty good, but it's still a no. Okay, so you know the drill with Stitch Fix. You pay a $20 a month styling fee. Whatever you decide to keep in the box, your $20 will go towards. There's free returns both ways. You do get a mailing slip to put your items in that you don't want and send back. Everything in this box came to $300. If I bought everything, I'd get my 25% discount, and that would save $75. That's basic math. I used to be a math tutor in school, but like all of that went away. Like completely. So if I were to buy everything in this box, I'd be looking at $225. Definitely can't do that, especially not this month. Adam's birthday is this month, so I got some other expenses I gotta pay for. I don't know what I'm keeping. I honestly might not keep anything. I don't want to say that Caitlin did a bad job. I mean, she's just getting to know me. And part of it was me too. I said, don't send me any floral things, even though I love floral. I don't know why I would say that, but I just wanted something a little bit different. Also, a little disclaimer. If you heard some background noise in this video, my neighbor is getting a new roof put on. She's actually my cousin too, so I live in a pretty small town. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Also turn your bell notifications on so you will know when I upload my next video. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was. And if you are enjoying these unboxing videos, let me know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. The jeans are, let's just share this. So Lindley found this earlier. It is a Barbie, but if you'll notice, her name is Raina. Like, how crazy is that? So I got this probably, honey, can you please? I got this probably 10 or 12 years ago and had to have it. Thought I would leave it in the box. Not that it would be worth money or anything, but it's just special to me in that way. So What is it?
Barbie.
Barbie.
There's candy on it. There's candy on it.
Now you gotta put candy in it.
Yeah, basketball and Yoda.
Basketball and Yoda.
I gotta put the candy on it.
You gotta put candy in it.
I put the candy on it.
Can you show the camera? Tell the camera who you have. What do you have?
Basketball.
What's the other one?
Yoda.
Yoda.
Wait, Yoda? Basketball.
Mm-hmm. Can you go over here and sit down?
Hey, Yoda. I eat basketball.